Norqain is one of the fastest-growing Swiss watch brands, and for 2026, the brand has upgraded one of its most important models, the Adventure. The new 40mm replaces the older 42mm version and introduces a better size, new design updates, and even a chronometer-certified movement. And honestly, this might be the best Norqain Adventure yet. Founded in 2018, Norqain has quickly built a reputation for rugged adventure watches designed for mountaineering and outdoor exploration. The Adventure collection has always been the brand's all-terrain sports watch, but until now, it only came in 37mm or 42mm sizes. The new 40mm case finally fills that gap, offering what many collectors consider the perfect sports watch size. The new Adventure measures 40mm in diameter, 12.5mm thick, and about 48mm lug to lug, making it noticeably more wearable than the previous 42mm version. It keeps the core Adventure features, including 200 meters of water resistance, a screw-down crown, and Norqain's signature side plaque. But there are important upgrades. The Aluminium scale uses an aluminum insert instead of ceramic, with a classic 60-minute scale and strong grip thanks to its diamond-style knurling. The case also features new crown guards and a more pronounced polished bevel for a refined look. Even the crown now includes a colored ring that matches the dial. The dial has also been redesigned. Instead of the previous basket weave texture, the new model features an embossed mountain pattern, reinforcing the watch's adventure identity. It comes in dark green or gray, with matching bezel inserts and straps. The hands and markers have been redesigned as well. They're larger, partially skeletonized, and filled with superluminova for strong visibility. The markers are now rectangular instead of trapezoidal, and the date window has been moved to 6 o'clock, giving the dial a cleaner and more balanced look. There's also a loomed ring under the sapphire crystal, adding extra nighttime visibility. Inside the watch is the Norqain Calibre N08, based on the reliable Sellita SW200 automatic movement. But this time, there's a major upgrade. It's now COSC chronometer-certified, meaning improved accuracy and precision. The movement beats at 4 Hz, offers about 41 hours of power reserve, and can be seen through the sapphire caseback with a custom Norqain rotor. The Adventure 40mm comes with a newly designed rubber strap featuring the same mountain pattern as the dial. You can also choose a stainless steel bracelet. Pricing starts at around €3,200, making it significantly more expensive than the model it replaces, but also more refined. With its improved size, upgraded design, and chronometer movement, the new Norqain Adventure 40mm feels like a serious step forward. And for many collectors, this could be the sweet spot in the Norqain lineup. Would you pick the new 40mm over the old 42mm? Let me know in the comments.